Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the stand type, X-frame, Z-style, or 2-tier, because each locks differently. Once done, clear about 1.5 meters and set a soft cloth to rest your keyboard on later. Make sure to unpack legs, central bar, and bolts, and hand thread each fastener just a half turn to align parts without stress. This prevents cross-threading. It also gives you room to make final adjustments as you continue assembling the frame. Once the frame is loosely assembled, align the crossbar and notches so pivots move freely. This is why you started with hand-threaded bolts. Next, set the height using the stand's increments or numbered holes and test the keyboard position. Now tighten the main bolts with a wrench, but not all at once, so you can fine-tune tilt and balance. Finally, route your power and sustain cables along the frame and fasten them with cable ties, so they won't be. You now place the keyboard on the supports, centering its weight so it won't tip when you press keys. Test by applying firm downward pressure in a few spots. If it shifts, adjust foot position and tilt, then snug the bolts evenly. Do not over-tighten because that can strip threads. Once stable, plug in and play to confirm. If you encounter wobble, tighten the relevant brackets, add rubber pads under feet, or recenter the instrument before testing again. This single tip solves most stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.